I just found a brand new football channel, and honestly, I'm shocked. They use cartoon versions of real football legends like Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and Neymar, and they're making thousands of dollars every single month. What's crazy is that almost every video gets millions of views, and we all know millions of views mean massive earnings. The videos are super addictive, funny, cinematic, and perfect for viral shorts content. And the best part? These videos can now be created with AI tools at almost no cost. Today I found an unbelievable tool that creates consistent cartoon football characters, smooth animations, and viral style videos in just minutes. Honestly, I've never seen a tool like this before on any other channel. This football AI niche is growing insanely fast right now, and people are building faceless football channels with millions of views using AI. Now let's start the real work. I already prepared a powerful master prompt for you. All you have to do is copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. I personally tested it myself. I simply copied and pasted the prompt, and ChatGPT instantly generated amazing results. It gave me high-quality image prompts, cinematic video prompts, sound effects, voiceovers, scene directions, animations, and everything completely organized in one place. Honestly, this is one of the craziest AI workflows I've ever seen. You don't need expensive editors, professional animators, or a huge team anymore. With the right prompt, AI can create viral football content in minutes. The best part is that the characters stay consistent, the scenes look cinematic, and the videos feel like professional animated shorts made by a real studio. So now it's your turn. Copy the master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and watch the magic happen. You'll instantly get a complete viral football video package ready for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Now it's time to create your AI images, and trust me, this is the easiest part. I know most of you are tired of paying money for tools like Nano Banana and other expensive AI platforms. Every tool wants a subscription, credits, or hidden payments. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a single dollar. Yes, completely free. Because today, I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool called Flow AI that lets you generate high-quality images for free. No watermark, no waiting time, and no hidden charges. The process is super simple. Just open the Flow AI website, copy the prompts I already gave you earlier, and paste them directly into the tool. That's it. Your images will start generating instantly. No editing skills needed. No complicated setup. No experience required. Everything is beginner-friendly and super easy to use. And honestly, this is exactly how many viral AI football channels are creating content so fast. They're not hiring big teams or spending thousands of dollars. They're simply using smart AI tools. The best part is that you can generate unlimited images and test different ideas again and again until you get the perfect result. You can create cinematic football scenes, cartoon characters, emotional moments, funny reactions, and entire story sequences within minutes. So don't overthink it. Go to Flow AI right now, paste your prompts, and start creating your images. Once your images are ready, we'll move to the next step and turn them into fully animated viral videos with sound effects, voiceovers, and cinematic scenes. Let's keep going. Now let's come into Google and search for Comfy, https://cloud.comfy.org. Just press enter and open the first website. After opening the website, it will ask you to log in with Google. Simply use any Google account and log in. Don't worry, I'll guide you through everything step by step. When you enter the website for the first time, I know the interface may look confusing because it feels very advanced. But trust me, you don't need to worry because I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to use this tool completely free. After logging in, go to the left side and click on the template section. There you'll find many templates for image generation, video generation, cinematic workflows, animation projects, and much more. Now open the video section and choose the Grok video template. This template is amazing for creating cinematic football AI animation videos with smooth motion and emotional quality. In the next step, upload the football image that we generated earlier using the cartoon football prompts from ChatGPT. After uploading the image, paste the football video prompt generated by ChatGPT. There's also one very important thing. You should paste the voiceover script prompt as well, because it helps create emotional storytelling vibes and cinematic background audio inside the final video. The best part is that you don't need to change complicated settings. Everything is already optimized. Just upload the image, paste the football prompt, add the voiceover script, and click Generate. You may see the task appearing in the history section. Don't worry if it says pending, because it usually takes around 1 minute to generate the final cinematic football video. While one video is generating, you can start creating another football scene at the same time. Upload the next image, paste the next scene prompt, copy the next voiceover script, and generate again according to the story flow.
Messi, your room is Minecraft. Perfect choice.
And honestly, the results look incredible.
Perfect choice.
Just look at the animation quality, smooth movement, cinematic lighting, emotional reactions, and football storytelling vibes. Everything looks professional and movie-like. The 3D football character consistency is also very impressive. The characters keep a similar appearance across scenes, which makes the entire animation feel like a real football movie instead of random AI clips. And there's another important thing. There is no watermark. Everything is completely free, which is honestly amazing for this level of quality. So now there's no need for expensive software, difficult editing, or complicated workflows anymore. Everything is almost ready for you with very little effort. After seeing these results, all I can say is, this tool is seriously amazing. Now I'm generating the next football scene again. Same process, upload image, paste prompt, paste voiceover script, and click Generate. Once again, the result looks absolutely incredible.
Go to the Minecraft room!
If you want to create stunning football AI animation videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, then this tool is honestly perfect for you. So don't worry about complicated editing anymore. Just follow the steps, stay consistent, and start creating your own viral football AI animation videos today. Thank you so much for watching, and I truly hope this video helped you. More football AI tutorials are coming very soon. So stay connected and keep creating amazing content.